Today I am going to discuss about how practicing simple yoga asanas can have huge benefit on our lungs and overall health. Lungs are the most important organs of the body as it involves the breathing process. Proper functioning of lungs is critical to all other body parts to function well. Recent pandemic COVID-19 is also related to respiratory tract, especially the lungs infection. So it is important for everyone to focus on our lungs health to prevent and manage these infections. Daily yoga practice can help in strengthening the chest muscles. It improves the lung capacity and it boosts the oxygen intake. So let's start with the first basic asana. Now we are going to do Ushtrasana. So begin by sitting in Vajrasana. Stand onto your knees. Widen your legs. Inhale. Now exhale and push your hips forward. Slowly try to bring your arms to your ankles and arch back. Inhale and come back to center. Rest in child's pose. Next we are going to do Bhujangasana. Begin by lying on your stomach, keeping your legs straight, feet together, toes pointing out, palms by the side of your chest, elbows closer to your rib cage. Inhale and raise your upper body up. Lift your upper body to the point where your belly button remains on the ground. Lift your chin up and look at the ceiling. Take 5 breaths here. Exhale. Bring your upper body down. First pranayam which we are going to do is Nadi Shodhan pranayam or the alternate nostril breathing. You can sit in any meditative comfortable position, Sukhasana or Padmasana. Keep your neck and spine straight, eyes closed. Left palm on your left knee in Chin Mudra. Right palm Nasika Mudra on your right knee. Now block your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale through your left nostril. Block your left nostril. Exhale through right. Inhale through right nostril. Exhale through left. Keep repeating the same process. Next we are going to do Makrasana breathing. So first lie down on your stomach. Stretch both your arms forward. Take few deep breaths here and let your body relax. Now as you inhale, raise your upper body up. Keep your chin in your palms. Take few deep breaths here. Hold the posture for few minutes. Exhale and release the posture. Remove your palms. Bring your shoulder and chin on the ground. Repeat the same process 2-3 times. The last and most important therapy, which can easily be included in our day-to-day life and can be practiced by any age group, is laughter therapy. Laughing can provide a good workout to our cardiovascular and respiratory systems. It releases endorphins, which help relieve stress, and it works as a natural painkiller too. When we laugh, our diaphragm, chest and abdominal muscles tighten. This makes the lungs work harder by forcing stale air out and allowing fresh air deeper into the lungs. So let's start laughter yoga. I'm giving you a situation here. Imagine that you have 2 milkshake glasses in your hands. Now pour it into one another and drink. Yeah, yeah, ha 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 ha. Yeah, yeah, ha 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 ha. Yeah, yeah, ha 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 ha.